Hello, this is Fábio Petian. I am an artificial intelligence engineer, and I'm going to show you today a project I've developed myself using the anti-gravity from Google Cloud IDE and some techniques together with Cloud Code tool. So uh, you can clone the repository to your local computer, your local machine, and you need to install some requirements that are listed here in order to everything works fine. You have the README file describing how it works and for the purpose of using a RAG technique. Basically, it reads PDF accordingly. What you have inserted here in the project structure did not put larger files up to 10 megabytes due to may take longer the process and avoid also documents with a lot of pictures. Uh, so for this example, the model that performed the best, I've chosen the Ollama, the model Quen.2.5 coder, 3 billion parameters. So you have the options also to use other LLM providers, uh, Google, GPT, OpenAI, ZipY, Anthropic. But for that case, I've myself downloaded a local model from Ollama, and then I set the .env to this model. So if you want to use a local model downloaded from Ollama, for example, you need to work in two terminals, one with executing the Python technique in the Python program, and another one with the Ollama serve that's going to start listening in this server from Ollama. So let's execute one example. You need to start a .venv inside your project folder, and then you need to type this command in yellow here that is the Python and the query py to execute the technique. And here in blue we have the question that the RAG model will answer. So I'm using a document from car owner's manual for an electrical vehicle. So I'm asking here, can the car be charged during the rain? So once you push enter, the model will start. So the interface start using LLM provider from Ollama. The question here, and it's loading the vector store as well as initializing the rag chain. And it's a post request that it's performing during the process of the question. And it should not take too long to answer. The previous test I did, it took uh, 30 seconds maximum. While it's executing, there is also a query that collects all the logs. If you have any issue or any error, it's going to uh, register here in the log folder. So it processed, and the answer here, it answered no. According to the context provided, it is not safe to charge the vehicle during the rain or snow. Uh, the passage specifically states, in rain or snow, do not charge the vehicles outside. This means that charging should only occur in the right conditions. So in the page 40, it's here the test. And if you go exactly in the document, in the page uh, 40, so the text is captured from this part here. In rain or snow, do not charge a vehicle outside. When charging is complete, ensure that there is no water on your hands, on the charging port before removing the charging device to avoid the risk of shock. So it was answered, and thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed, and please clone the repository and replace